Hello everyone. The first task of our is the prediction using supervised machine learning. In this task, we will predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they study. The first we have is importing the libraries, that is import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, cburn as sns, and we are also using matplot library as plt. We also have import warning, which is called warnings.filter warnings. It is used in the program to tell the warnings. Now we have importing data, which we have URL, which is present in the program. The prediction of the percentage of a student based on number of study hours is sent by sdata equals to pd.read csv URL. For the output, we get hours and scores. For example, for 2.5 hours, we get 21 score. Similarly, for 9th one, if we see 2.7 hours, we get 25. For plotting the distribution of scores, we have S data plot, X hours, Y scores, style 0. For that, we need title. For title, we place hours versus percentage. Second, hours student. Third, percentage score. Following which, we get result as the growing graph, which is presented in the dot format. The x-axis denotes the percentage score and the y-axis denotes the hours studied. Hence, we can see that there is a positive linear relation between the number of hours studied and the percentage of score. Now, if we correlate the plot, we get plot figure as figure size as 55, which can be denoted as 0.98 hours and scores 1:1. Preparing for the data in this particular project, we have located I location in the S data as values. The two datas of X and Y have been imported. From sklearn model selection import train test plot, we have X train X test, Y train Y test. These are the functions that are being used in the program. Talking about the training the algorithm, we have sklearn.linear model import, linear regression. Regressor equals to linear regression, regressor.fit X train Y train. For that, we have the result as print training complete. Here, the training completes. At last, we have the plotting the regression line, which says line equals to regressor dot coefficient of x plus regressor intercept, which directly plots a straight line as a 45-degree in the y and x axis. Making prediction, we have print x test testing data in hours. We have the inputs as 1.5, 3.2, 7.4, 2.5, 5.9, which predicts the scores in the hours. With that, we have comparing actual versus predicted output. For that, we have data frame, actual and predicted. Continuing with it, evaluating model, we have similar kind of fashions called find root mean squared errors, mean absolute errors, and find coefficient of terminations. This accuracy of the model gives 94.55%, and the mean absolute error is 4.18%. Therefore, we have result as 9.25 and hours, and the predicted score is 93.69173249. We also have import pickle as open regressor pickle, which also has regressor and pickle out, and hence we close the pickle. Thank you.